तुम्हारे पास सिर्फ 15 मिनट बचे हैं. You have only 15 minutes left.
You have only 15 minutes left.
तुम यहाँ कैसे? How come you are here?
How come you are here?
क्या करें? अब जो है सो है. What to do? It is what it is.
What to do? It is what it is.
मैं रात को जल्दी सो जाता हूँ. I go to sleep early at night.
I go to sleep early at night.
उन्हें मेरी तरफ से नमस्कार कहना. Give him my regards.
Give him my regards.
क्या तुम मेरे साथ मार्केट आओगे? Will you come with me to the market?
Will you come with me to the market?
वो सब तो ठीक है पर तुम चिल्लाए क्यों? That's all fine but why did you shout?
That's all fine but why did you shout?
क्या पढ़ना है? What to read?
What to read?
मैं 9 बजे तक आ जाऊंगा. I will come till 9 o'clock.
I will come till 9 o'clock.
उनके पास भागने के अलावा कोई रास्ता नहीं था. They had no choice but to run away.
They had no choice but to run away.
पागल हो गया है तू. You've gone mad.
You've gone mad.
कुछ भी हो सकता था. Anything could have happened.
Anything could have happened.
उसे बुलाना सही नहीं है इस समय. It is no good calling him at this time.
It is no good calling him at this time.
वो अब पूरी जिंदगी किसी औरत से ऐसे बात नहीं करेगा. He won't talk to a woman like that for the rest of his life.
He won't talk to a woman like that for the rest of his life.
मैं वहां लगभग 3 बजे पहुंचा. I reached there around 3 o'clock.
I reached there around 3 o'clock.
मैं वो नहीं हूं. I am not him.
I am not him.
आपके बैग में क्या है? What do you contain in your bag?
What do you contain in your bag?
क्या वो उसे हंसा सका? Could he make her laugh?
Could he make her laugh?
मैं बहुत पढ़ता था ताकि अच्छे नंबर ला पाऊं. I used to study a lot so as to score good marks.
I used to study a lot so as to score good marks.
परसों छुट्टी थी. It was holiday day before yesterday.
It was holiday day before yesterday.
मैं कमरे से बाहर कदम नहीं रखूंगी. I won't step out of the room.
I won't step out of the room.
अरे एहसान कैसा, ये तो मेरा फर्ज था. No favor at all. This is only my duty.
No favor at all. This is only my duty.
यह एक अपशगुन है. This is a bad omen.
This is a bad omen.
अगर उन्होंने पैसे वापस नहीं चुकाए तो मैं तेरे दोस्तों की कब्र खोद दूंगा. याद रखना, समझा? If they can't repay the money then I will dig your friend's grave. Remember. Got it?
If they can't repay the money then I will dig your friend's grave. Remember. Got it?
तुम्हें कुछ कहने का कोई फायदा नहीं. It's no use telling you anything.
It's no use telling you anything.
मैं उस औरत को जानता हूं जिसके लड़के को चोट लगी थी. I know the woman whose child was hurt.
I know the woman whose child was hurt.
जो हो रहा है, होने दो. Let happen, whatever is going on.
Let happen, whatever is going on.
क्या उसे पैसों की जरूरत है? Does he need money?
Does he need money?
बिल्कुल. वो बिल्कुल तुम्हारे जैसा दिखता है. Absolutely. He looks just like you.
Absolutely. He looks just like you.
क्या मम्मी ने तुम्हें अभी तक नहीं बताया? Has mother not told you yet?
Has mother not told you yet?
देखो, कैसे सो रहा है, जैसे यह बिस्तर इसे इसके बाप ने दिया है. Look, how is he sleeping? As if his father has given him this bed.
Look. How is he sleeping? As if his father has given him this bed.
स्पीकर पर लगाओ. Put it on speaker.
Put it on speaker.
हमारे पास अभी भी 1 घंटा बचा है. We still have an hour left.
We still have an hour left.
मैं तुम्हें ऐसे नहीं देख सकता. I can't see you like this.
I can't see you like this.
अगर वो जानता होता तो यह बात मुझसे कभी नहीं छुपाता. If he knew it, he would never hide this fact from me.
If he knew it, he would never hide this fact from me.
दिल पे मत लो. Don't take it to heart.
Don't take it to heart.
उसके लिए ऐसी बात मत बोल. Don't say such things for her.
Don't say such things for her.
एक बात बोलूं, वो तुमसे झूठ बोल रहा है. Do I say one thing, he is telling a lie to you.
Do I say one thing, he is telling a lie to you.
बहुत अच्छे, बस यही देखना बाकी रह गया था. Well done, only this was left to see now.
Well done. Only this was left to see now.
आप उसे कैसे सहन कर सकते हैं? How can you bear her?
How can you bear her?
माफ कीजिएगा सर, आपका वॉलेट नीचे गिर गया है. Excuse me sir, you dropped your wallet.
Excuse me sir, you dropped your wallet.
तुम कहीं नहीं जाओगे, वो खुद तेरे पास आएगी. You won't go anywhere. She herself will come to you.
You won't go anywhere. She herself will come to you.
शिक्षक होने के नाते छात्रों को सही शिक्षा देना हमारा कर्तव्य है. Being a teacher, it is our duty to give right education to students.
Being a teacher, it is our duty to give right education to students.
चाहे जो हो जाए. Whatever happens.
Whatever happens.
कीमतें बढ़ रही हैं. Prices are rising up.
Prices are rising up.
अब ठीक है. Now it is fine.
Now it is fine.
कोशिश करते रहो. Keep trying.
Keep trying.
तो आखिरकार तुमने अपना रंग दिखा ही दिया. So you've finally shown your true colors.
So you've finally shown your true colors.
कल जब आना तो जहर की बोतल साथ में ले आना. Tomorrow when you come, please bring the bottle of poison along.
Tomorrow when you come, please bring the bottle of poison along.
कुछ देर में सीनियर डॉक्टर आएंगे. In a while, a senior doctor will come.
In a while, a senior doctor will come. Doctor will come.
मेरा इस फिल्म को देखने का मन कर रहा है. I feel like watching this movie.
I feel like watching this movie.
तुम अपने आप को समझते क्या हो? What do you think of yourself?
What do you think of yourself?
मुझे तुम्हारी मदद की जरूरत है. I need your help.
I need your help.
क्या कहा उसने? What did he say?
What did he say?
सारी रात बारिश होती रही होगी. It would have been raining all night.
It would have been raining all night.
मैं इस फोटो में नहीं हूँ. I am not there in this photograph.
I am not there in this photograph.
क्या चल रहा है? What's going on?
What's going on?
तुमने उसे जाने क्यों दिया? Why did you let her go?
Why did you let her go?
मैं मना कर दूं तो? What if I refused?
What if I refused?
ऐसा मत करो. Don't do it.
Don't do it.
मेरे बाईं ओर कोई लड़का नहीं था. There was no boy left to me.
There was no boy left to me.
क्या यह मेरे लिए है? Is that for me?
Is that for me?
फिल्म देखने का समय हो गया है. It's time to watch the film.
It's time to watch the film.
मेरे कोट को पहन के देखो. Try my coat on.
Try my coat on.
डरो मत, मैं कुछ नहीं करूंगा. Don't be scared. I won't do anything.
Don't be scared. I won't do anything.
यह वही पेन है जैसा मैंने तुम्हें दिया था. This is the same pen as I gave you.
This is the same pen as I gave you.
कोई प्रॉब्लम? Any problem?
Any problem?
तुम क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? What are you looking for?
What are you looking for?
वे तब भी उस विषय पर बहस कर रहे थे. They were even then arguing over that topic.
They were even then arguing over that topic.
वो इतना क्यों बोलती है? Why does she speak so much?
Why does she speak so much?
मैंने कुछ गलत नहीं बोला. I didn't speak anything wrong.
I didn't speak anything wrong.
जो भी होता है अच्छा होता है. Whatever happens is good.
Whatever happens is good.
ये आपकी हेल्थ के लिए अच्छा है. It is good for your health.
It is good for your health.
कब से जानते हो तुम उसे? Since when have you known her?
Since when have you known her?
उन्होंने उसे बलि के बकरे की तरह यूज किया. They used him as a scapegoat.
They used him as a scapegoat.
मैं उससे पूछना भूल गया. I forget to ask him.
I forget to ask him.
वो जरूर बिजी होगी. She must be busy.
She must be busy.
मैंने चैन की सांस ली. I sighed of relief.
I sighed of relief.
मुझे कैसे पता होगा? How would I know?
How would I know?
तुम वहां क्यों छिपे हुए हो? Why are you hidden there?
Why are you hidden there?
खिड़की बंद करो, ठंड लग जाएगी तुम्हें. Roll up the window. You'll catch a cold.
Roll up the window. You'll catch a cold.
तुमने इस लड़की के साथ क्या किया? What did you do to this girl?
What did you do to this girl?
अब यहाँ तक आ गए हैं तो थोड़ी देर इंतजार कर लेते हैं. Since we've come this far, let's wait for some time.
Since we've come this far, let's wait for some time.
ट्रेन से लखनऊ से मुंबई जाने में कितना टाइम लगता है? How long does it take to get from Lucknow to Mumbai by train?
How long does it take to get from Lucknow to Mumbai by train?
काश मैं तुम्हारे साथ होता. I wish I were with you.
I wish I were with you.
तुमने फिर शुरू कर दिया. You've started again.
You've started again.
मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि मैं उसे इस हाल में देखूंगा. I never thought I would ever see him in this state.
I never thought I would ever see him in this state.
जरा रुको. Hold on.
Hold on.
तुम कल मुझसे मिलने आना. You'll come see me tomorrow.
You'll come see me tomorrow.
नहीं मैं नहीं पकड़ूंगा. No I won't catch it.
No, I won't catch it.
मैंने अपनी माँ से कभी कुछ नहीं छुपाया. I never hide anything from my mother.
I never hide anything from my mother.
तुम कम से कम मुझे बता सकते थे. You could have at least told me.
You could have at least told me.
मैं अपने घर में हूँ. I am in my house.
I am in my house.
पर यह सब होगा कैसे? But how will all this be possible?
But how will all this be possible?
हम वो सबक पहले ही सीख चुके हैं. We've already learned that lesson.
We've already learned that lesson.
चाकू से मत खेलो, अपने आप को नुकसान पहुंचा लोगे. Don't play with the knife. You will hurt yourself.
Don't play with the knife. You will hurt yourself.
तुम यहाँ कब से हो? How long have you been here?
How long have you been here?
भगवान का आशीर्वाद हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ है. God's grace is always with you.
God's grace is always with you.
मेरा उससे कोई लेना देना नहीं था. I had nothing to do with him.
I had nothing to do with him.
अब मेरी बारी है. Now, it's my turn.
Now, it's my turn. It's my turn.
मेरी बातों का बुरा ना मानना. Don't take my word to heart.
Don't take my word to heart.
तुम्हें जो कुछ कहना है तेज आवाज में कहो. Whatever you have to say it aloud.
Whatever you have to say it aloud.
क्या करना है रोहन का? What should we do about the Rohan?
What should we do about the Rohan?
मेरे पीछे लाइन में कितने थे? How many were there behind me in the queue?
How many were there behind me in the queue?
क्या नंबर है तेरा पास उसका? Do you have her number?
Do you have her number?
लगता है इस बारे में तुम्हें बहुत कुछ पता है. You seem to know a lot about it.
You seem to know a lot about it.
इतना बड़ा धोखा. Such a big betrayal.
Such a big betrayal.
आज तुम्हें क्या हो गया है? What has happened to you today?
What has happened to you today?
तुमने रोहन को देखा है कहीं? You saw Rohan anywhere?
You saw Rohan anywhere?
उसका प्यार करने का तरीका मुझे अच्छा लगता है. I like the way she loves.
I like the way she loves.
खाना लगा दो. Serve the food.
Serve the food.
बस रहने दो. That's enough.
That's enough.
पर मेरे केस में भगवान का कोई और ही प्लान था. But in my case, God's plan was something different.
But in my case, God's plan was something different.
वो कहानी बनाने में एक्सपर्ट है. He is expert in making stories.
He is expert in making stories.
तुम्हारी हिम्मत कैसे हुई मुझे कॉल करने की? How dare you call me?
How dare you call me?
बाहर बैठो और दूसरों को खेलने दो. Sit out and let the others play.
Sit out and let the others play.
तुम बड़े वो हो. You're very much that.
You're very much that.
काश वो मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड होती. I wish she were my girlfriend.
I wish she were my girlfriend.
कौन आया? Who came?
Who came?
यह बस है जो तुम्हें BTM लेआउट लेके जाएगी. This is the bus that will take you to BTM layout.
This is the bus that will take you to BTM layout.
यह किसका नंबर है? Whose number is this?
Whose number is this?
भीख मांगने से अच्छा तो मैं भूखा रह लूंगा. I would rather die than beg.
I would rather die than beg.
मैं भी उस तरह की औरत नहीं हूँ. I am also not that kind of a woman.
I am also not that kind of a woman.
उन्हें भी हमारे साथ ले लो. Take them too along with us.
Take them too along with us.
क्या कर रहे हो तुम, बेशरम? What are you doing, shameless?
What are you doing, shameless?
मैं उसे 6 महीने से जानता हूँ. I've known her for 6 months.
I've known her for 6 months.
जब तक तुम मेरी शादी में नहीं आओगे मैं शादी नहीं करूंगा. Unless you come at my wedding, I will not marry.
Unless you come at my wedding, I will not marry.
नहीं मम्मी मैंने इसे पूछने के लिए फोन किया था कि काम कैसा चल रहा है. No mommy I phoned him to ask how work was progressing.
No mommy I phoned him to ask how work was progressing.
एक मिनट रुको. Wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
क्या तुमने उसके जन्मदिन पर उसे फोन किया था? Had you phoned her on her birthday?
Had you phoned her on her birthday?
तो क्या? So what?
So what?
मैं न तुम्हें खेलने दूंगा न टीवी देखने दूंगा. I'll neither let you play nor watch TV.
I'll neither let you play nor watch TV.
मैंने अपना मैथ का होमवर्क नहीं किया था. I hadn't done my maths homework.
I hadn't done my maths homework.
मासूम मत बनो. Don't be innocent.
Don't be innocent.
बस स्टॉप किस तरफ है? Which side is bus stop?
Which side is bus stop?
वो इतनी शर्मीली है कि किसी अजनबी से बात नहीं कर सकती. She is so shy that she cannot speak to any strangers.
She is so shy that she cannot speak to any strangers.
मैं उसे भगाने की पूरी कोशिश की. I tried my best to keep him off.
I tried my best to keep him off.
मैं अभी आया. I'll be right back.
I'll be right back.
यह आपका दोष नहीं था. It was not your fault.
It was not your fault.
क्या आप ऐसा कर सकते हैं? Can you do that?
Can you do that?
मैं क्लास में बैठा हूँ. I am sitting in the class.
I am sitting in the class.
ईश्वर नाम की भी कोई चीज होती है. There is something called God too.
There is something called God too.
सुना है तेरा जैकपॉट लगा है. I heard you won the jackpot.
I heard you won the jackpot.
वो खुद को समझता क्या है? What does he think of himself?
What does he think of himself?
बाकी आपकी मर्जी. Rest is yourself.
Rest is yourself.
ये बताएगा तुम्हें कि कौन हूं मैं. He will tell you who I am.
He will tell you who I am.
मेरा यह मतलब नहीं था. I did not mean it.
I did not mean it.
और कुछ चाहिए तुम्हें? Do you want anything else?
Do you want anything else?
तुम्हें पता है वो हमें किस नाम से बुलाता है? Do you know by what name he calls us?
Do you know by what name he calls us?
फिक्र मत करो, मैं उन्हें ले आऊंगा. Don't worry, I'll bring them up.
Don't worry. I'll bring them up. I'll bring them up.
ये बहुत है. This is much.
This is much.
आपकी पढ़ाई कैसी चल रही है? How is your study going on?
How is your study going on?
जरा मैं तैयार हो लूं. Let me get ready.
Let me get ready.
तेरा दिमाग का स्क्रू ढीला हो गया है. You have a screw loose in your brain.
You have a screw loose in your brain.
आप कब कब खेलने आते हो? How often do you come to play?
How often do you come to play?
अपनी सलाह अपने पास ही रखो. Keep your advice to yourself.
Keep your advice to yourself.
कुछ भी जो तुम्हें अच्छा लगे. Anything you feel like.
Anything you feel like.
रोने दो इसे, इसी की करने है. Let him cry. It is his doing.
Let him cry. It is his doing.
कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता चाहे हम वो जाएं या न जाएं. It doesn't matter whether we go there or not.
It doesn't matter whether we go there or not.
हम कहाँ मिलेंगे? Where will we meet?
Where will we meet?
मैंने अभी तक फैसला नहीं लिया. I haven't decided yet.
I haven't decided yet.
चलो घर पर ही रुकते हैं. Let's stay at home.
Let's stay at home.
तुम कौन होते हो मुझ पे चिल्लाने वाले? Who the hell are you to yell on me?
Who the hell are you to yell on me?
ज्यादा होशियार मत बनो. Don't be over smart.
Don't be over smart.
इसमें उन लोगों का क्या कसूर है? What is their fault in it?
What is their fault in it?
मैं उसे डॉक्टर बनाना चाहता था. I wanted him to be a doctor.
I wanted him to be a doctor.
वो राहुल से 10 बजे के बाद मिला. He met Rahul after 10.
He met Rahul after 10.
आप चाय लेंगे या ठंडा? Would you like tea or cold drink?
Would you like tea or cold drink?
ऐसी गलती दोबारा मत करना. Don't make such a mistake again.
Don't make such a mistake again.
तुम फिर शुरू हो गए. Again you have started.
Again you have started.
मुझे एहसास हो गया है कि मैंने तुम्हारे साथ unfair रहा हूं. I've realized that I knew a been unfair to you.
I've realized that I knew been unfair to you.
तुम्हारा कोई भरोसा नहीं. You are not reliable.
You are not reliable.
आप मुझे गलत समझ रहे हैं. You are taking me wrong.
You are taking me wrong.
मैं किसी से नहीं डरता. I am scared of nobody.
I am scared of nobody.
ये लीजिए आपके पैसे. Here is your money.
Here is your money.
तुमने उसे घर से बाहर जाने क्यों दिया? Why did you let her get out of a house?
Why did you let her get out of a house?
ऐसा लगता है कि आपको इसमें रुचि नहीं है. It seems that you are not interested in it.
It seems that you are not interested in it.
मैं सही हूँ. I am right.
I am right.
मैं समय पर वापस आ जाऊंगा. I will be back on time.
I will be back on time.
कौन नहीं जाता है? Who doesn't go?
Who doesn't go?
अगर तुझे सब पता था, तो तूने उस दिन क्यों नहीं बोला? If you knew all this, why didn't you say it that day?
If you knew all this, why didn't you say it that day?
वो एक नंबर का बदमाश है. He is a wicked of first order.
He is a wicked of first order.
मैं तुम्हें 2 घंटे से फोन कर रही हूँ. I've been calling you for 2 hours.
I've been calling you for 2 hours.
इसमें क्या है? What's in it?
What's in it?
मैं तो तुम्हें जानता भी नहीं. I don't even know you.
I don't even know you.
आपको यह सब एक दूसरे की बीवी को कहना है. You have to say this to each other's wife.
You have to say this to each other's wife.
तुम्हें देने के लिए मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है. I don't have anything to give you.
I don't have anything to give you.
किसी के साथ बुरा मत करो. Don't be bad with anyone.
Don't be bad with anyone.
उसे यहाँ से ले जाओ. Get him out from there.
Get him out from there.
मैं उसे मनाता हूँ. I'll go convince her.
I'll go convince her.
ज्यादा से ज्यादा तुम वहाँ नहीं जाओगे. At the most you will not go there.
At the most you will not go there.
मैं कितनी गलत थी. I was so wrong.
I was so wrong.
अब मुझे कोई नहीं निकाल सकता. Now no one can throw me out.
Now no one can throw me out.
तुम कॉलेज में टोपी नहीं पहन सकते. You cannot wear a hat in the college.
You cannot wear a hat in the college.
तुम्हें नजर लग जाएगी. You will catch the evil eye.
You will catch the evil eye.
किसी को मत बताना. Don't tell anyone.
Don't tell anyone.
तुमने क्या खाया? What did you eat?
What did you eat?
यह ठीक नहीं लग रहा. This doesn't feel right.
This doesn't feel right.
क्या तुम मुझे बेवकूफ समझते हो? Do you consider me fool?
Do you consider me fool?
तुम सीख जाओगे. You will learn.
You will learn. You will learn.
मैं तुमसे मंदिर जाने का बहाना बनाकर मिलने आई हूँ. I came to meet you on the pretext of going to the temple.
I came to meet you on the pretext of going to the temple.
मैं तुमको बताने ही वाला था. I was just to tell you.
I was just to tell you.
झूठ बोलने वाले को कोई आदमी पसंद नहीं करता. None likes a man who tells a lie.
None likes a man who tells a lie.
अपनी हद में रहो. Stay in your limits.
Stay in your limits.
मेरे पिताजी को मेरे शराब पीने में कोई आपत्ति नहीं है. My father doesn't mind drinking with me.
My father doesn't mind drinking with me.
क्या करूं मैं? आंसू बहाऊं? What else should I do? Shed tears?
What else should I do? Shed tears.
क्या इस शहर में ऐसा कोई है जिससे तुमने उधार पैसे ना लिए हो? Is there anyone in this city you haven't borrowed money from?
Is there anyone in this city you haven't borrowed money from?
इनमें से कोई नहीं. Neither of.
Neither of.
जो भी हुआ, उसे भूल जाओ. Forget that, whatever happened.
Forget that, whatever happened.
नहीं, बस ऐसे ही. No, just like that.
No, just like that.
तुम्हें अंदाजा नहीं है कि मैं कितना नाराज हूँ. You have no idea how pissed I am.
You have no idea how pissed I am.
वो शराब के आदी हैं. They are addicted to alcohol.
They are addicted to alcohol.
आपकी आवाज कट रही है. I'm sorry, you are breaking up.
I'm sorry, you are breaking up.
मैं ऊपर की ओर जा रहा हूँ. I am going upwards.
I am going upwards.
सुनो, तुम क्या ढूंढ रहे थे? Listen, what were you searching for?
Listen, what were you searching for?
जब वो मुझसे टकराया तब बहुत अंधेरा था. It was very dark when he hit me.
It was very dark when he hit me.
इसे सुलझाने के लिए मुझे कुछ वक्त दो. Give some time to resolve it.
Give some time to resolve it.
मैं तुमसे अकेले में बात करना चाहता हूँ. I want to talk to you alone.
I want to talk to you alone.
तुम खुद से कुछ नहीं करते. You do nothing by yourself.
You do nothing by yourself.
पालतू पशु हमें आसानी से नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाते. Pet animals don't harm us easily.
Pet animals don't harm us easily.
वे लोग कहाँ गए हैं? Where have they gone?
Where have they gone?
किसी दिन बड़ी परेशानी में फंसोगे. You will land up in big trouble someday.
You will land up in big trouble someday.
1 घंटे से. For an hour.
For an hour.
इसी बात पर तो हमारे बीच झगड़ा हुआ. That's what we had a dispute on.
That's what we had a dispute on.
वो अच्छा आदमी है. He is a good person.
He is a good person.
इलाके कुत्तों के होते हैं. Dogs have territories.
Dogs have territories.
जिंदगी बहुत छोटी है, मेरे दोस्त. Life is too short, my friend.
Life is too short, my friend.
आज खाने में नमक नहीं है. There's no salt in the food today.
There's no salt in the food today.
तुमने मुझसे झूठ बुलवाया. You made me tell a lie.
You made me tell a lie.
मेरी माँ ने यह तुम्हारे लिए भेजा है. My mother sent this for you.
My mother sent this for you.
तुम्हें यह पेन मोबाइल के साथ मिलेगा. You will get this pen along the mobile.
You will get this pen along the mobile.
क्या हक था तुम्हें वहां रुकने का? What right did you have to stay there?
What right did you have to stay there?
तुम घर बैठे ऑनलाइन कमा सकते हो. You can earn online at sitting home.
You can earn online at sitting home.
मैं छाया में खड़ा हूं. I am standing in the shade.
I am standing in the shade.
उससे दोबारा पूछो. Ask him again.
Ask him again.
वो मुझे पागल बना रहा है. He is making me fool.
He is making me fool.
आपने ऐसा क्यों कहा? Why did you say that?
Why did you say that?
इस वक्त घर पर होना मेरे लिए जरूरी है. Being at home is important for me right now.
Being at home is important for me right now.
अगर मैं कुछ गिरवी रख दूं तो? What if I give you something as collateral?
What if I give you something as collateral?
अगर तुम प्रधानमंत्री होते तो क्या करते? What would you do if you were the prime minister?
What would you do if you were the prime minister?
मुझे कुछ करना है. I want to do something.
I want to do something.
मैंने लड़के को दोषी पाया. I found the boy guilty.
I found the boy guilty.
वो नहीं चाहती कि तुम उससे मिलो. She doesn't want you to meet her.
She doesn't want you to meet her.
ऊपर देखो. Look up.
Look up.
मैं पूरी रात काम कर रहा था. I was working whole night.
I was working whole night.
क्या मैं तुम्हारी कोई मदद कर सकता हूँ? Can I help you in any way?
Can I help you in any way?
अब तुम्हें उसकी बात नहीं माननी पड़ेगी. Now you will not have to obey him.
Now you will not have to obey him.
उसे खाने के लिए खाना दो. Give him food to eat.
Give him food to eat.
आपने क्या कहा? What did you say?
What did you say?
सड़क पर एक भिखारी था. There was a beggar on the street.
There was a beggar on the street. Beggar on the street.
कौन सी फ्लाइट में आए हो? Which flight did you come in?
Which flight did you come in?
मानो या ना. Believe or not.
Believe or not.
तुम कहाँ थे? Where have you been?
Where have you been?
वहाँ तुरंत जाओ. Go there at once.
Go there at once.
ध्यान से सुनो. Listen carefully.
Listen carefully.
हालांकि वो बहुत थका था फिर भी उसने काम पूरा किया. Though he was very tired, he completed the work.
Though he was very tired, he completed the work.
रोहन इन दिनों अपने भाई के साथ रह रहा है. Rohan is living with his brother these days.
Rohan is living with his brother these days.
मैं आपका मुकाबला नहीं कर सकता. I can't compete you.
I can't compete you.
जरा मैं तैयार हो लूं. Let me get ready.
Let me get ready.
मैं जो कुछ कहूंगा तुम विश्वास नहीं करोगे. What I say, you won't believe it.
What I say, you won't believe it.
मैंने तुझे अपने बेटे की तरह पाला है. I've raised you like my own son.
I've raised you like my own son.
सब मेरे साथ थे. Everyone was with me.
Everyone was with me.
वो मुझे शायद दूसरा मौका न दे. Maybe, he doesn't give me another chance.
Maybe, he doesn't give me another chance.
उसे सफलता का पूरा भरोसा था. He was sure of success.
He was sure of success.
क्या तुम्हें अपने आप पे शर्म नहीं आती? Aren't you ashamed of yourself?
Aren't you ashamed of yourself?
मैं 10 लाख रुपए कहीं न कहीं से लेकर आऊंगा. I will get 10 lakh rupees from somewhere or the other.
I will get 10 lakh rupees from somewhere or the other.
मैं जानता हूं वहां रहना कितना मुश्किल है. I know how difficult it is to live there.
I know how difficult it is to live there.
उसने मेरे फोटो खींचे हैं. उससे कहो पहले वो मुझे दे दे. She has clicked my snap. Tell her to first give me that.
She has clicked my snap. Tell her to first give me that.
मैं मना नहीं कर रहा हूं. I am not denying.
I am not denying.
सब ठीक है. Everything's fine.
Everything's fine.
ऐसा नहीं है. It's not that.
It's not that.
काश ऐसा कभी किसी के साथ ना हो. May this never happen with anyone.
May this never happen with anyone.
उसने मुझे धोखा दिया. He cheated me.
He cheated me.
मुझे नहीं पता गाड़ी में पेट्रोल कैसे खत्म हो गया. I don't know how the petrol got over in the car.
I don't know how the petrol got over in the car.
यह वही है जिससे मैं शादी करना चाहता हूँ. She's the one I want to marry.
She's the one I want to marry.
मुझे कुछ खाने को दो. Give me something to eat.
Give me something to eat.
वो खुद ही वहां गया था. He himself went there.
He himself went there.
क्या करूं मैं इसका? What should I do with him?
What should I do with him?
रोहन ने कॉल किया. Did Rohan call?
Did Rohan call?
मैं आपसे मिलने को बेताब हो रहा हूं. I am being impatient to meet you.
I am being impatient to meet you.
मेरा परिवार मांसाहारी है जबकि मैं शाकाहारी हूं. My family is non-vegetarian whereas I am vegetarian.
My family is non-vegetarian whereas I am vegetarian.
वो मुंबई जा चुका होगा. He must have gone to Mumbai.
He must have gone to Mumbai.
अपना हिसाब कर लो. Clear your accounts.
Clear your accounts.
अगर तुमने घर से बाहर कदम रखा तो मैं तुम्हारे पैर तोड़ दूंगा. If you step out of the house, I'll break your legs.
If you step out of the house, I'll break your legs.
रो मत, मैं वापस आ रहा हूं. Don't cry. I am coming back.
Don't cry. I am coming back.
क्या मैं थोड़ा सा चख सकता हूं? May I taste some?
May I taste some?
ऑफिस के अलावा और कहां जा सकता हूं? Where else can I go except to office?
Where else can I go except to office?
जो तुम कह रहे हो सही है पर ये चोर नहीं है. What you say is right but he isn't a thief.
What you say is right but he isn't a thief.
तुम्हारी छोटी सोच है. You have cheap mentality.
You have cheap mentality.
कितनी बार? How often?
How often?
वो एक महान योद्धा था. He was a great warrior.
He was a great warrior.
वो पूछ रहा था कि. He was asking that.
He was asking that.
तुम मुझसे बात कर रहे हो या उससे? Are you talking to me or to him?
Are you talking to me or to him?
वहाँ बहुत गर्मी पड़ती है. It's very hot over there.
It's very hot over there.
मैं तुम्हारा साथ दूंगा, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए. I will stand by you, come what may.
I will stand by you, come what may.
मुझे घुटन हो रही है. I am feeling suffocated.
I am feeling suffocated.
आज मैं बहुत बहुत खुश हूँ. I am extremely happy today.
I am extremely happy today.
मेरे साथ मजाक कर रहे हो क्या? Are you kidding me?
Are you kidding me?
पुलिस क्यों आई थी घर पे? Why did the cops come home?
Why did the cops come home?
मैं आपसे माफी मांगता हूँ. I apologize to you.
I apologize to you. Apologize to you.
यह ड्रेस तुम पर प्यारी लग रही है. This dress looks lovely on you.
This dress looks lovely on you.
वो हमेशा शिकायत करता रहता है. He is always complaining.
He is always complaining.
आपसे मिले हुए मुझे 2 साल हो गए हैं. It has been 2 years to me having met you.
It has been 2 years to me having met you.
उसने कपड़े धो लिए होंगे. She might have washed the clothes.
She might have washed the clothes.
वो यही रहेगा जब तक अपना काम खत्म नहीं कर लेता. He'll stay here until he doesn't complete his work.
He'll stay here until he doesn't complete his work.
मिठाई लड़कों में बांट दो. Distribute the sweet among the boys.
Distribute the sweet among the boys.
कहाँ फंसा दिया इसने मुझे? Where has he got me entrapped?
Where has he got me entrapped?
उसे मत बुलवाओ. Don't get him called.
Don't get him called.
आजकल क्लास जल्दी लग जाती है. Classes start early nowadays.
Classes start early nowadays.
तुम कब जाओगे? When will you go?
When will you go?
जो तुम कहोगे मैं वो करूंगी. I'll do whatever you want.
I'll do whatever you want.
मैं जाऊंगा चाहे तुम मना करो. I'll go even if you forbid me.
I'll go even if you forbid me.
4 दिन की चांदनी फिर अंधेरी रात. It's a 9 days wonder.
It's a 9 days wonder.
मेरी बाइक अचानक बंद हो गई. My bike choked suddenly.
My bike choked suddenly.
मैं वास्तव में आपकी ईमानदारी की तारीफ करता हूँ. I really admire your honesty.
I really admire your honesty.
कमरा साफ करने में मुझे कोई आपत्ति नहीं है. I don't mind sweeping the room.
I don't mind sweeping the room.
क्या तुम नदी तैरकर पार कर सकते हो? Can you swim across the river?
Can you swim across the river?
मैं और भी तेज चिल्लाऊंगी अगर तुम यहाँ नहीं आए. I'll scream even louder if you don't come here.
I'll scream even louder if you don't come here.
यह बहुत गहरा लग रहा है. This seems to be very deep.
This seems to be very deep.
उसने मुझे जाने से रोक दिया. Eta A has stopped me from going away.
Eta E has stopped me from going away.
इस समय मेरे पास 1 रुपया भी नहीं है. At the moment I don't have a single paisa.
At the moment I don't have a single paisa.
वो चाहते हैं कि तुम इसे दोबारा करो. He wants you to do it again.
He wants you to do it again.
मुझे विश्वास है कि मैं सफल हो जाऊंगा. I am sure that I will get success.
I am sure that I will get success.
आप कहाँ पर ठहरे हो? Where are you putting up?
Where are you putting up?
सब कुछ कैसे है? How is everything?
How is everything?
वो सुंदर है लेकिन घमंडी है. She is beautiful but she is arrogant.
She is beautiful but she is arrogant.
तुम्हारी दादी बिना चश्मे के नहीं पढ़ सकती थी. Your grandmother could not read without glasses.
Your grandmother could not read without glasses.
कौन हो तुम और तुम्हें मेरा नंबर कैसे मिला? Who are you and how did you get my number?
Who are you and how did you get my number?
आजकल बच्चे घर बैठे पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं. Nowadays children are studying at sitting home.
Nowadays children are studying at sitting home.
मैंने तुम्हें सिर्फ 2 दिन के लिए छोड़ा था. I had left you only for 2 days.
I had left you only for 2 days.
मैं आपका बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ. I am the biggest fan of yours.
I am the biggest fan of yours.
मैं भी पैसों के लिए उतनी ही फिक्रमंद हूँ जितना कि तुम हो. I am as concerned about the money as you are.
I am as concerned about the money as you are.
क्या आपको पता है कि टिकट कहाँ से मिलती है? Do you know where to get the tickets?
Do you know where to get the tickets?
वो बुखार से मर गई. She died of fever.
She died of fever.
वो ट्रिप पर जाने का खर्चा अफोर्ड नहीं कर सका. He couldn't afford the money to go on the trip.
He couldn't afford the money to go on the trip.
ठीक है, मेरा काम थे तुम्हें आगाह करना तो मैंने कर दिया. All right, my job was to warn you and so I did.
All right, my job was to warn you and so I did.
कृपया दुखी न हो. Please don't be sad.
Please don't be sad.
मुझे तुम्हारी सहायता की जरूरत नहीं. I do not need your help.
I do not need your help.
तुमने हाल ही में कौन सी फिल्म देखी है? Which movie have you recently seen?
Which movie have you recently seen?
तुम छुप क्यों रहे हो? Why are you hiding?
Why are you hiding?
हम अब बातें कर रहे हैं. We are chatting now.
We are chatting now.
तुम कर लोगे यह काम या किसी और को दूं यह काम? Will you be able to do it or should I give this job to someone else?
Will you be able to do it or should I give this job to someone else?
आप अपने आप से पूछिए, क्या आपने इंग्लिश को वाकई अपना 100% दिया है? Ask yourself, have you really given your 100% to English?
Ask yourself, have you really given your 100% to English?
यह तथ्य सत्य है और मैं इसे सिद्ध कर सकता हूँ. The fact is true and I can prove it.
The fact is true and I can prove it.
वे उसे पकड़ने ही वाले थे. They were just to catch him.
They were just to catch him.
जैसा भी है वो तुम्हारा भाई है. However he is your brother.
However he is your brother.
आप जो चाहते हो वो करो. Do whatever you want.
Do whatever you want.
रोहन, वहाँ जाओ. Rohan, go there.
Rohan, go there.
कम से कम तुम मुझे मैसेज तो कर सकते थे. At least you could message me.
At least you could message me.
आज सड़क पर भीड़ कम होनी चाहिए. There should be fewer crowds on the road today.
There should be fewer crowds on the road today. On the road today.
आपको गुस्सा क्यों आ रहा है? Why are you getting angry?
Why are you getting angry?
प्लीज मुझे माफ कर देना अगर मैंने कुछ गलत किया हो. Please forgive me if I have done anything wrong.
Please forgive me if I have done anything wrong.
उसके पास कंप्यूटर है. He has got a computer.
He has got a computer.
तुम खुशनसीब हो कि मैं तुम्हें मिली. You are lucky to have me.
You are lucky to have me.
मैं हर पल तुम्हारे साथ था. I was there with you every moment.
I was there with you every moment.
एक बात तो पक्की है, तुम कभी नहीं सुधरोगे. One thing is sure, you will never improve.
One thing is sure, you will never improve.
तुम मुझसे क्यों पूछ रहे हो? Why are you asking me?
Why are you asking me?
मैंने उससे निवेदन किया तब भी वो नहीं आई. I requested her even then she didn't come.
I requested her even then she didn't come.
हम तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रहे हैं. We've been waiting for you.
We've been waiting for you.
बिजली चमक रही है. It is lightning.
It is lightning.
क्या राम अंदर है? Is Ram in?
Is Ram in?
तुम्हारी माँ को आटा गूंधने में कितना वक्त लगता है? How long does it take your mom to knead the flour?
How long does it take your mom to knead the flour?
मैं यह सब करने के मौके ढूंढता रहता हूँ. I look out for chances to do all this.
I look out for chances to do all this.
रोहन कहाँ रहता है? Where does Rohan live?
Where does Rohan live?
यहाँ सर्दियों में बहुत ठंड हो सकती है. It can be very cold here in winter.
It can be very cold here in winter.
जितना जल्दी हो सके. As soon as possible.
As soon as possible.
मैं आपको किसी से मिलवाना चाहता हूँ. I want to introduce you to someone.
I want to introduce you to someone.
8:30 बजा है. It's 8:30.
It's 8:30.
वही तो, तुम अभी भी वैसी हो. That's just it. You're still the same.
That's just it. You're still the same.
माँ से क्यों छुपा रहा है? Why are you hiding from mother?
Why are you hiding from mother?
आपके सीनियर्स से बात करने की तमीज नहीं है तुम्हें. You don't have manners to talk to your seniors.
You don't have manners to talk to your seniors.
हम सब तुम्हारे साथ पुलिस स्टेशन चलेंगे. We'll all go with you to the police station.
We'll all go with you to the police station.
वो मेरे लिए एक खूनी से बका कुछ नहीं है. He is not more than a killer for me.
He is not more than a killer for me.
तो तुम मानते हो कि जरूरत सब कुछ है और फीलिंग्स कुछ नहीं है? So you believe needs are everything and feelings are nothing?
So you believe needs are everything and feelings are nothing?
आपके साथ किसी की नहीं पटती. No one can adjust with you.
No one can adjust with you.
तुम थके हुए लग रहे हो. You look tired.
You look tired.
क्या पीऊं? What to drink?
What to drink?
यह बैग बहुत भारी है. This bag is very heavy.
This bag is very heavy.
अपने जूते उतार दो. Take your shoes off.
Take your shoes off.
क्या आप श्योर हो? Are you sure?
Are you sure?
क्या है? What is it?
What is it?
या तो मुझे जाने दो या फिर तुम जाओ. Either let me go or you go yourself.
Either let me go or you go yourself.
सोनाली को यहाँ आना है. Sonali has to come here.
Sonali has to come here.
बचाव कार्य चल रहा है. The rescue operation is being held up.
The rescue operation is being held up.
मैं मनी लेने कहाँ आऊं? Where should I come to collect the money?
Where should I come to collect the money?
मेरे नजरिए से. From my point of view.
From my point of view.
मुझे शांति से पेशाब करने दो. Let me pee in peace.
Let me pee in peace.
मन कर रहा है. I am feeling like.
I am feeling like.
आ सको तो आ जाना. Come if you can.
Come if you can.
यह मेरी जिम्मेदारी है. It is my responsibility.
It is my responsibility.
उसने जॉब क्यों छोड़ी? Why did he quit the job?
Why did he quit the job?
मुझे इसका कोई पछतावा नहीं है. I've no regrets about it.
I've no regrets about it.
तब जाकर उसने मेरे पैसे वापस किया. Then at last he returned my money.
Then at last he returned my money.
हो सकता है उसके पास किताब हो. He may have a book.
He may have a book.
जहाँ तक मैं जानता हूँ वो ऐसा नहीं कर सकता. As far as I know he can't do so.
As far as I know he can't do so.
यहाँ ऐसा कुछ नहीं जो मुझे आकर्षित कर सके. There is nothing that can attract me.
There is nothing that can attract me.
मुझे पता लगा कि वो कहाँ थी. I found out where she was.
I found out where she was.
मैंने इतने बुरे हालात का सामना कभी नहीं किया. I have never experienced such a bad situation.
I have never experienced such a bad situation.
यह खरीदने के लिए तुम्हें पैसे कहाँ से मिले? Where did you get the money to buy this?
Where did you get the money to buy this?
मैं 2 घंटे से ठंड से कांप रहा हूँ. I have been shivering with cold for 2 hours.
I have been shivering with cold for 2 hours. For 2 hours.
जाओ और जाने दो. Go and let go.
Go and let go.
मुझे ज्यादा वक्त नहीं लगेगा. It won't take me too long.
It won't take me too long.
वो अभी भी नहीं आया है. He has still not come.
He has still not come.
मेरे पड़ोसी ने मुझे धूम्रपान करते हुए पाया. My neighbor found me smoking.
My neighbor found me smoking.
इसके लिए मैं तुझे 3,000 रुपए और दूंगा. I'll pay you 3,000 more for this.
I'll pay you 3,000 more for this.
मैं जल्द ही वापस आऊंगा. I will be back soon.
I will be back soon.
क्या वो पहुंचने वाली होगी? Will she be about to reach?
Will she be about to reach?
आसमान में कितने तारे हैं? How many stars are there in the sky?
How many stars are there in the sky?
तुम मीटिंग खत्म होने तक इंतजार करो. You must wait till the meeting gets over.
You must wait till the meeting gets over.
आप मेरी जान हैं. You are my sweetheart.
You are my sweetheart.
आज रात कौन गाने वाला है? Who is going to sing tonight?
Who is going to sing tonight?
जल्दी आओ. Come fast.
Come fast.
उसकी उंगली दब गई. His finger got pressed.
His finger got pressed.
अपना हिस्सा उठाओ और चलते बनो. Take your share and off with you.
Take your share and off with you.
वो बहुत बातूनी है. He talks a lot.
He talks a lot.
मैंने इसके लिए फोन नहीं किया. I didn't call for it.
I didn't call for it.
वो रात भर नहीं सोई. She didn't sleep overnight.
She didn't sleep overnight.
निशा उससे कब मिलेगी? When will Nisha meet him?
When will Nisha meet him?
उसे समय लेने दो. Let him take time.
Let him take time.
उसमें सच बोलने की हिम्मत नहीं है. He dare not tell the truth.
He dare not tell the truth.
वो बाइक नहीं चला सकती है. She is not able to ride a bike.
She is not able to ride a bike.
मुझे परेशान मत करो. Don't trouble me.
Don't trouble me.
वो ईमानदार बन रहा है. He is getting honest.
He is getting honest.
वो तुम्हारी मदद नहीं करेगा. He will not help you.
He will not help you.
उसने खुद को गोली मार दी. He shot himself.
He shot himself.
कुछ गलत होता है अगर बाईं आंख फटती है. Something goes wrong only if the left eye twitches.
Something goes wrong only if the left eye twitches.
आपका क्या मतलब है? What do you mean?
What do you mean?
तुम जानते नहीं कौन हूं मैं. सारा दिल्ली मुझसे डरता है. You don't know who I am. The whole of Delhi is scared of me.
You don't know who I am. The whole of Delhi is scared of me.
कुछ ना कुछ होने ही वाला है. Something is about to happen.
Something is about to happen.
क्या आप आम खा चुकी हैं? Have you eaten the mango?
Have you eaten the mango?
आप जैसा स्टूडेंट पाना मेरा सौभाग्य है. I am lucky to have such a student like you.
I am lucky to have such a student like you.
क्या उसने तुम्हें आने दिया? Did he let you come?
Did he let you come?
उसे जाने दो. Let her go.
Let her go.
मुझे पार्टियां बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं फिर भी मुझे जाना पड़ेगा. I really don't like parties. Still I will have to go.
I really don't like parties. Still I will have to go.
अगर तुमने दोबारा कॉल किया तो मैं पुलिस को बता दूंगा. If you call again, I'll inform the cops.
If you call again, I'll inform the cops.
तुम दोनों से कुछ नहीं होगा. You both can't do a thing.
You both can't do a thing.
तुम्हें इंतजार करने की जरूरत नहीं. You need not wait.
You need not wait.
हमने उन्हें धन चुराते हुए पाया. We found them stealing money.
We found them stealing money.
बारिश हो रही है इसलिए मुझे अंदर जाना होगा. It is raining, so I must go in.
It is raining, so I must go in.
वो ऐसा कुछ नहीं सोचती. She doesn't think anything like this.
She doesn't think anything like this.
मेरी दोस्त शादी करने के लिए भाग गई थी. My friend had eloped to get married.
My friend had eloped to get married.
उन्होंने मुझे बेवकूफ बनाने की हिम्मत की मैं उन्हें नहीं छोड़ूंगा. They dare to fool me, I will not spare them.
They dare to fool me, I will not spare them.
वो रोने ही वाली है. She is just to weep.
She is just to weep.
बारिश हुई तो? What if it rains?
What if it rains?
जब तक तुम मेरी शादी में नहीं आओगे मैं शादी नहीं करूंगा. Until you come at my wedding, I will not marry.
Until you come at my wedding, I will not marry.
बारिश हुई तो? What if it rains?
What if it rains?
ये फायदे का सौदा नहीं है. It's not worthwhile.
It's not worthwhile.
ऐसा लगता है कि आपको मुझ पे भरोसा नहीं है. It seems that you don't have trust in me.
It seems that you don't have trust in me.
एक गंदी मछली सारे तालाब को गंदा कर देती है. A single sheep infects the whole flock.
A single sheep infects the whole flock.
जैसा तुमने कहा था वैसा हुआ. It happened just like you said.
It happened just like you said. Just like you said.
वो मजाक कर रहा होगा. He must be joking.
He must be joking.
तुमसे बाद में बात करता हूँ. Talk to you later.
Talk to you later.
वे दिल्ली हर कीमत पर जाएंगे. They will go to Delhi at all cost.
They will go to Delhi at all cost.
अधिक से अधिक तो उसके पास 1000 रुपए होंगे. At most, he might have 1000 rupees on him.
At most, he might have 1000 rupees on him.
तुम किस शहर से हो? Which city are you from?
Which city are you from?
इंतजार करो, वो आएगा. Just wait, he will come.
Just wait, he will come.
पुलिस को घटना की सूचना कब दी गई थी? When had police been informed the incident?
When had police been informed the incident?
उसे गला घोंटकर मारा गया. He was throttled to death.
He was throttled to death.
मैं फिल्म देखते देखते थक गया हूँ. I am tired of watching movies.
I am tired of watching movies.
तुम उससे मिलने क्यों नहीं जाओगे? Why will you not go to see her?
Why will you not go to see her?
यह वही जगह है जहां उसने मुझे किडनैप किया था. This is the same place where I was kidnapped.
This is the same place where I was kidnapped.
तुम्हारे प्रति उसके प्यार की सच्चाई पर हम शक नहीं कर सकते. We can't doubt the veracity of his feelings for you.
We can't doubt the veracity of his feelings for you.
उस शहर में एक पार्क था. There was a park in that city.
There was a park in that city.
तुम इतना क्यों खेलते हो? Why do you play so much?
Why do you play so much?
सच कहूं तो मैं वहां नहीं जा रहा हूं. To be honest, I am not going there.
To be honest, I am not going there.
इसे बंद करो और अपना काम करो. Switch it off and attend to your chores.
Switch it off and attend to your chores.
कल रात बूंदा बांदी हुई. It drizzled last night.
It drizzled last night.
तुम तो पैदाइशी झूठे हो. You are a born liar.
You are a born liar.
इस आदमी ने कभी किसी दूसरी औरत पर नजर नहीं डाली. This man has never laid his eyes on another woman.
This man has never laid his eyes on another woman.
मुझे क्या हो सकता है? What can happen to me?
What can happen to me?
और कुछ जो तुमने अभी तक नहीं बताया? Anything else you haven't mentioned yet?
Anything else you haven't mentioned yet?
उसका नाम राधेश्याम है पर लोग उसे राधे कहते हैं. His name was Radheshyam but everyone called him Radhe.
His name was Radheshyam but everyone called him Radhe.
वे लोग हमेशा मेरा साथ देता है. He always stand by me.
He always stand by me.
तुम्हारा सपोर्ट उसे बुरे दौर में मजबूत बनाता है. Your support strengthens him in adverse situations.
Your support strengthens him in adverse situations.
वो तुम्हारा खून करवा सकता था. He could have got you killed.
He could have got you killed.
क्या हुआ? क्यों चिल्ला रहे हो? What's wrong? Why are you screaming?
What's wrong? Why are you screaming?
मुझे मेरे पैसे वापस चाहिए. I want my money back.
I want my money back.
इसकी कीमत कितनी है? How much does this cost?
How much does this cost?
मुझे हल्के में मत लेना. Don't underestimate me.
Don't underestimate me.
जो मेरा मन करेगा मैं वो करूंगा. I will do whatever I feel.
I will do whatever I feel.
आगे देख होता है क्या? See further what gonna happen.
See further what gonna happen.
कहाँ से मिला यह तुम्हें? Where did you get it from?
Where did you get it from?
एक बात तो पक्की है वो हार नहीं मानेगा. One thing is sure, he will not give up.
One thing is sure, he will not give up.
कोई व्यक्ति इतना अपमान नहीं सह सकता. Nobody can bear such an insult.
Nobody can bear such an insult.
तुमने उससे माफी क्यों नहीं मांगी? Why didn't you apologize to her?
Why didn't you apologize to her?
मैं कोई कठपुतली नहीं हूँ. I am not any puppet.
I am not any puppet.
उसे हर समय बुखार क्यों रहता है? Why has he got fever all the time?
Why has he got fever all the time?
मैं उसके पति को अच्छे से जानता हूँ. I knew her husband rather well.
I knew her husband rather well.
जल्द ही आपका नाम पुकारा जाएगा. Your name will be announced shortly.
Your name will be announced shortly.
तुमने टीचर पर हाथ क्यों उठाया? Why did you raise your hand at the teacher?
Why did you raise your hand at the teacher?
वो हमेशा ही संतुष्ट है. He is always consented.
He is always consented.
राम ये किसी से भी करवा सकता है. Ram can get it done by anyone.
Ram can get it done by anyone.
क्या आप मेरे भाई को जाने दोगे? Will you let my brother go?
Will you let my brother go?
मैं छत पर सो रहा था. I was sleeping on the roof.
I was sleeping on the roof.
मेरे मोबाइल में 3 कैमरा है. My mobile has 3 cameras.
My mobile has 3 cameras.
तुमने मेरी बहुत मदद की है. You have helped me a lot.
You have helped me a lot.
लानत है ऐसी जिंदगी पर. Damned on this type of life.
Damned on this type of life.
दिल्ली भारत के उत्तर में है. Delhi is in north of India.
Delhi is in north of India.
चलो एक काम करते हैं. Let's do one thing.
Let's do one thing.
उसने कहा कि वो मेरा इंतजार करेगी. She said that she would wait for me.
She said that she would wait for me. She would wait for me.
आप यहाँ कब से हैं? How long have you been here?
How long have you been here?
तुम ऐसे क्यों चल रहे हो? Why are you walking like this?
Why are you walking like this?
मुझे रोज इसे करना पड़ रहा है. I am having to do it every day.
I am having to do it every day.
तुम क्या कर सकते हैं? What can you do?
What can you do?
इस बार कोई गलती नहीं होगी. Promise there won't be any mistake this time.
Promise there won't be any mistake this time.
इतनी मोटी औरत मैंने कभी नहीं देखी. Such a fat woman I have never seen.
Such a fat woman I have never seen.
कुछ भी हो सकता है. Anything could happen.
Anything could happen.
तुम्हें इसे राज रखना चाहिए था. You should have kept it secret.
You should have kept it secret.
कौन जानता है? Who knows?
Who knows?
वो भाग गया तो? What if he runs away?
What if he runs away?
मैंने तुम्हें कहीं देखा है. I have seen you somewhere.
I have seen you somewhere.
जो कोई मुझे जानता है, मुझसे प्यार करता है. Whoever knows me, loves me.
Whoever knows me, loves me.
वो तुम्हें धोखा देने की सोचता है. He intends to cheat you.
He intends to cheat you.
एक आदमी सड़क के पार खड़ा था. There was a person standing across the road.
There was a person standing across the road.
यह वही लड़का है जिसकी मैंने सहायता की थी. He is the boy whom I helped.
He is the boy whom I helped.
क्या किया जा सकता है? What can be done?
What can be done?
जो मेरा मन करेगा मैं वो करूंगा. I will do whatever I feel.
I will do whatever I feel.
तुम्हें कुछ करना पड़ेगा. You will have to do something.
You will have to do something.
चिंता की कोई बात नहीं है. Nothing to worry about.
Nothing to worry about.
तुमने उससे कब से बात नहीं की? Since when have you not talked to him?
Since when have you not talked to him?
क्या तुम इंतजार नहीं कर सकते थे? Couldn't you wait?
Couldn't you wait?
मैंने इसे कहीं देखा है. I've seen her somewhere.
I've seen her somewhere.
तुमने मुझे पहले क्यों नहीं बताया? Why didn't you tell me earlier?
Why didn't you tell me earlier?
पहला झूठ यह है कि मैं झूठ नहीं बोलता. The first lie is that I don't lie.
The first lie is that I don't lie.
क्या मैं आपके साथ बैठ सकता हूँ? May I sit with you?
May I sit with you?
समय कितना बदल गया है? How changed the time is?
How changed the time is.
जब भी जरूरत हो आप मुझे फोन कर सकते हैं. You can call me whenever you need.
You can call me whenever you need.
तुम्हें जितना वक्त चाहिए ले लो. You can take as much time as you want.
You can take as much time as you want.
क्या कहते हो तुम? What do you say?
What do you say?
वो अपनी बीवी से छुटकारा पाना चाहता है. He wants to get rid of his wife.
He wants to get rid of his wife.
अब हम यहाँ और नहीं रहेंगे. We won't live here anymore.
We won't live here anymore.
तुम अपनी हद पार कर रहे हो. You are crossing your limits.
You are crossing your limits.
पुलिस ने उसकी कार जब्त कर ली. The police confiscated his car.
The police confiscated his car.
कुछ खाने के लिए ले लो. Get something to eat.
Get something to eat.
चलो एक साथ लंच करते हैं. Let's have lunch together.
Let's have lunch together.
मुझे आपसे कैसे माफी मांगनी चाहिए? How should I apologize to you?
How should I apologize to you?
तुम इतना क्यों खाते हो? Why do you eat so much?
Why do you eat so much?
उसे मेरी मदद की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. She no longer need my help.
She no longer need my help.
तुम वैसे ही निकले जैसा मैंने सोचा था. You are just what I had thought you were.
You are just what I had thought you were.
मम्मी मुझे टीवी नहीं देखने देती. Mom doesn't let me watch the TV.
Mom doesn't let me watch the TV.
तमाशा मत करो वरना मैं तुम्हें पीटूंगा. Don't create a scene, or else I'll beat you.
Don't create a scene, or else I'll beat you.
क्या वो मैं ही हूँ? Is that really me?
Is that really me?
दिख नहीं रहा है. That's not visible.
That's not visible.
मुझे बोलने दीजिए. Let me speak.
Let me speak.
जब से मैं उससे मिला हूँ मुझे नींद नहीं आ रही. Since the time I have met her I couldn't sleep.
Since the time I have met her I couldn't sleep.
मेरे कहने का मतलब है कि तुम्हें ऐसी गलती नहीं करनी चाहिए. I mean to say that you should not make such mistakes.
I mean to say that you should not make such mistakes.
क्या आप हमसे सहमत हैं? Do you agree with us?
Do you agree with us?
अपनी पढ़ाई पर ध्यान दो. Pay attention to your studies.
Pay attention to your studies.
यह लीजिए खाना. Here is the food.
Here is the food.
वो कितना धीरे चलता है. How slow he walks.
How slow he walks.
ऐसी बात मत बोलो. Don't say such a thing.
Don't say such a thing. Say such a thing.
इतना टाइम क्यों लगा? What took you so long?
What took you so long?
तुम ऐसा कैसे कर सकते हो? How can you do this?
How can you do this?
उसने मुझे बेवकूफ बनाया है. He has fooled me.
He has fooled me.
कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता चाहे दिन हो या रात. It doesn't matter whether it is day or night.
It doesn't matter whether it is day or night.
तुमने मुझे बहुत देर इंतजार करवाया. You kept me waiting for a long time.
You kept me waiting for a long time.
सुबह का समय था. It was morning.
It was morning.
ये मेरे लिए कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. It's not a big deal for me.
It's not a big deal for me.
मुझसे झूठ मत बोलो. Don't lie to me.
Don't lie to me.
मैंने इस साल शायद ही कोई छुट्टी ली है. I have hardly taken a leave this year.
I have hardly taken a leave this year.
और बताओ. Tell me more.
Tell me more.
बहरे हो क्या? Are you deaf?
Are you deaf?
तेरा इन पैसों से कभी भला नहीं होगा देख लेना. You'll never prosper with this money, mark my words.
You'll never prosper with this money, mark my words.
वो मेरे पीछे पीछे फिर रहा है. He is running after me.
He is running after me.
मैं इसका क्या करूं? What should I do with it?
What should I do with it?
तुम्हें सिगरेट पीना किसने सिखाया? Who taught you to smoke?
Who taught you to smoke?
क्या कल छुट्टी थी? Was it holiday yesterday?
Was it holiday yesterday?
आपको पता है कल क्या हुआ? You know what happened yesterday?
You know what happened yesterday?
हम लोगों की वजह से वो भी मुसीबत में आ गई. Because of us even she got in trouble.
Because of us even she got in trouble.
आप इतने गंभीर क्यों हो? Why are you so serious?
Why are you so serious?
ऊपर जाओ और देखो तुम्हारी बीवी क्या कर रही है. Go upstairs and see what your wife is doing.
Go upstairs and see what your wife is doing.
रोने की हिम्मत भी मत करना. Don't dare to cry.
Don't dare to cry.
मैंने किताब को उल्टा रख दिया. I kept the book upside down.
I kept the book upside down.
कुछ भी हो सकता है. Anything could happen.
Anything could happen.
तुम्हें इससे क्या मिलेगा? What will you gain out of this?
What will you gain out of this?
तुम यहाँ रुको जब तक वो वापस नहीं आता. You wait here until he comes back.
You wait here until he comes back.
हम जो कर सकते थे कर दिया. We've done the best we could.
We've done the best we could.
वो किसी भी वक्त आती होगी. She might be back any moment now.
She might be back any moment now.
वो भी बहुत परेशान होंगे. He must also be very worried.
He must also be very worried.
मुझे धमकी मत दो. Don't threaten me.
Don't threaten me.
हो सके तो मुझे भूला देना. If possible, forget me.
If possible, forget me.
ऐसा है क्या? Is that so?
Is that so?
अपना गुस्सा मुझ पर मत निकालो. Don't take out your anger on me.
Don't take out your anger on me.
दवाई समझकर खा लो. Eat it as if it were medicine.
Eat it as if it were medicine.
कैसे आना हुआ? What brings you here?
What brings you here?
उसकी बातों का बुरा मत मानना. Don't feel bad about his words.
Don't feel bad about his words.
मैं यहाँ जनवरी 2010 से हूँ. I have been here since January 2010.
I have been here since January 2010.
अचानक तेरे पर निकल आए. Suddenly you have wings.
Suddenly you have wings.
हम तुम्हारे साथ घूमने जाएंगे. We will go for a walk with you.
We will go for a walk with you.
मुद्दे की बात पे और बता करना क्या है? Come to the point and tell me what to do.
Come to the point and tell me what to do.
यह बात करने का तरीका नहीं है. This is not the way to talk.
This is not the way to talk.
मैं तुम्हें यह मंडे को वापस कर दूंगा. I will return it to you on Monday.
I will return it to you on Monday.
अगर उसकी जॉब छूट गई तो तब क्या होगा? What if he lost his job? What would happen then?
What if he lost his job? What would happen then?
लगे रहो. Carry on.
Carry on.
जाओ अपने आप देख लो. Go see for yourself.
Go see for yourself.
वो वही करेगा जो मैं उसे कहूँगा. He'll do whatever I tell him.
He'll do whatever I tell him.
तुम एक ही थैली के चट्टे बट्टे हो. You are chips of the same block.
You are chips of the same block.
तुमसे मतलब. None of your business.
None of your business.
मेरी एक शब्द कहने की भी हिम्मत नहीं हुई. I did not dare to say a word.
I did not dare to say a word.
उन्होंने पीटा तुम्हें? They beat you up.
They beat you up?
जब वो ऑफिस से वापस आया तो 2:30 बजे हो चुके थे. It was 2:30 p.m. when he came back from office.
It was 2:30 p.m. when he came back from office. Back from office.
Okay, मैं जाके देखता हूँ. Okay, I will go and see.
Okay, I will go and see.
वो भावुक हो रहा है. He is getting emotional.
He is getting emotional.
हम सब तुम्हारे साथ हैं. We all are with you.
We all are with you.
अब मेरा उससे कोई मतलब नहीं है. She means nothing to me now.
She means nothing to me now.
जो कुछ मैंने उसे कहा उसका उस पे कोई असर नहीं पड़ा. All that I told him had no effect on him.
All that I told him had no effect on him.
इससे तुम्हारा क्या मतलब है? What do you mean by that?
What do you mean by that?
मैं नहीं चाहता था कि आप मेरा इंतजार करें. I wouldn't want you to wait for me.
I wouldn't want you to wait for me.
हिम्मत मत हारो. Never say die.
Never say die.
फोन का जवाब दो. जरूर तुम्हारी मम्मी का होगा. Answer the phone. It must be your mummy's call.
Answer the phone. It must be your mummy's call.
हम दोनों जानते हैं कि उन्हें खोना कैसा लगता है जिन्हें हम प्यार करते हैं. We both know what it feels like to lose people we love.
We both know what it feels like to lose people we love.
वो सड़क के पार खड़ा है. He is standing across the road.
He is standing across the road.
वे मुझसे क्या चाहते हैं? What do they want from me?
What do they want from me?
आपका पसंदीदा खेल क्या है? What is your favorite sport?
What is your favorite sport?
अगर छोटा अमाउंट होता तो हम आपको तकलीफ ना देते. If it were a small amount, we wouldn't bother you.
If it were a small amount, we wouldn't bother you.
यह मेरी माँ ने भेजा है. My mother has sent this.
My mother has sent this.
यह एक अफवाह है. This is in the air.
This is in the air.
आपको जो भी कार पसंद है, आप ट्रायल ले सकते हैं. Whichever car you like, you can take trial.
Whichever car you like, you can take trial.
क्या घायलों का इलाज किया जा चुका होगा? Will the injured have been treated?
Will the injured have been treated?
कुछ गड़बड़ है. Something is fishy.
Something is fishy.
तुम्हें और क्या चाहिए? What more do you want?
What more do you want?
वो हमें चुप-चुप कर देख रही है. She is sneaking out at us.
She is sneaking out at us.
जो कोई भी यहाँ है, राहुल उसके साथ बात करना चाहता है. Rahul wants to speak with whoever is here.
Rahul wants to speak with whoever is here.
मेरी ओर से माफी मांग लीजिए. Apologize on my behalf.
Apologize on my behalf.
तय करके बताओ मुझे. Decide and tell me.
Decide and tell me.
अब मेरी बारी है. It's my turn.
It's my turn.
तुम अपने भाई को यहाँ भी साथ ले आई. You've got your brother along here too.
You've got your brother along here too.
अंग्रेजी बोलना आसान है. It's easy to speak English.
It's easy to speak English.
तुम उससे उलझते ही क्यों हो? Why do you even mess with him?
Why do you even mess with him?
मैं तुम्हारे मामले में नहीं घुसना चाहता. I don't want to delve into your matter.
I don't want to delve into your matter.
मुझे मेरा पैसा चाहिए. I want my money.
I want my money.
रोहन फिल्म देखने में मगन है. Rohan is engrossed in watching a movie.
Rohan is engrossed in watching a movie.
8 बजे है. It's 8 o'clock.
It's 8 o'clock.
खेलने के लिए लड़के नहीं हैं. There are no boys to play.
There are no boys to play.
क्या कहा तुमने? What did you say?
What did you say?
आपकी फाइल किताबों के ढेर के नीचे दब गई. Your file got buried under the pile of books.
Your file got buried under the pile of books.
काश मैं वहां होता. I wish I were there.
I wish I were there.
काश वो बुरी आदतों को छोड़ देता. I wish he would give up bad habits.
I wish he would give up bad habits.
तुम्हारा अकाउंट नंबर क्या है? What's your account number?
What's your account number?
मुझे परेशान मत करो. Don't tease me.
Don't tease me.
उसने बहुत बुरे दिन देखे हैं. She has seen very bad days.
She has seen very bad days.
क्या बी ऑस अंदर है? Is the boss in?
Is the boss in?
मैं क्लासरूम खुद ढूंढ लूंगा. I'll find the classroom myself.
I'll find the classroom myself.
कुछ पल बाद वो ऑफिस गया. After a while, he went to office.
After a while, he went to office.
मैं जाने वाला ही था. I was about to go.
I was about to go.
मेरे लिए एक ग्लास पानी लाओ. Bring a glass of water for me.
Bring a glass of water for me.
उसे अब तक यहाँ होना चाहिए. He ought to be there by now.
He ought to be there by now.
यह लड़की आज से तेरी बहन है, समझा? From today this girl is your sister. Got it?
From today this girl is your sister. Got it?
तुम मुझे मेरे बचपन की याद दिलाते हो. You remind me of my childhood.
You remind me of my childhood.
वो कब से स्विमिंग में इंटरेस्ट लेने लगा? Since when has he developed an interest in swimming?
Since when has he developed an interest in swimming?
वो वाली दिखाना. Show me that one.
Show me that one. Show me that one.
हर बात मुझसे पूछने की जरूरत नहीं. No need to ask me for everything.
No need to ask me for everything.
अपना हिस्सा उठाओ और चलते बनो. Take your share and off with you.
Take your share and off with you.
टेंशन मत लो. Don't take tension.
Don't take tension.
इतनी महंगी पेंट थी और तुमने फाड़ दी. It was such an expensive punt, and you tore it.
It was such an expensive pant, and you tore it.
क्या तुम्हें बोलने की बीमारी है? Do you suffer from a talking disorder?
Do you suffer from a talking disorder?
मैं अपने दिल की सुनने की हिम्मत कभी नहीं कर पाया. I never had the courage to follow my heart.
I never had the courage to follow my heart.
सामान अंदर ले आओ. Bring the luggage inside.
Bring the luggage inside.
यह वही आदमी है जिसे कल गिरफ्तार किया गया था. He is the same man that was arrested yesterday.
He is the same man that was arrested yesterday.
क्या कहा तुमने? कहाँ आए हो तुम? What did you say? Where have you come?
What did you say? Where have you come?
अब तक उसका अपहरण हो चुका होगा. He must be kidnapped by now.
He must be kidnapped by now.
धोखेबाजों, किस तरह के दोस्त हो तुम सब? Deceivers, what kind of friends are you all?
Deceivers, what kind of friends are you all?
उसका नाम कुछ देर बाद पुकारा जाना है. His name is to be called after a while.
His name is to be called after a while.
मेरी शादी को 5 साल हो गए हैं. I have been married for 5 years.
I have been married for 5 years.
तुम जीवन में सफल हो. May you succeed in life.
May you succeed in life.
मेरी मम्मी मुझे तुमसे बात करने से रोकती है. My mother prevents me from talking to you.
My mother prevents me from talking to you.
उम्र लग जाती है इज्जत कमाने में. It takes a lifetime to earn respect.
It takes a lifetime to earn respect.
वो मुझसे मिलने आया था. He came to meet me.
He came to meet me.
जब तक तुम मुझे चेक नहीं करने दोगे मैं यहाँ से नहीं जाऊंगा. Until you let me check the locker I won't move from here.
Until you let me check the locker I won't move from here.
शर्म नहीं आती लड़कियों को छेड़ते हुए? Aren't you ashamed of Eve teasing?
Aren't you ashamed of Eve teasing?
शर्माओ मत. Don't be shy.
Don't be shy.
क्या तुम अपनी औकात भूल गए हो? Have you forgotten your status?
Have you forgotten your status?
मैंने फिर कोशिश की. I tried again.
I tried again.
मैं उसके 2 टुकड़े कर दूंगा. I will cut him in 2.
I will cut him in 2.
क्या इससे कोई फर्क पड़ता है? Does it make any difference?
Does it make any difference?
खाओ इसे और जल्दी तैयार हो जाओ. Eat this and get ready quickly.
Eat this and get ready quickly.
मैं तुम्हें पुलिस के हवाले कर दूंगा. तुम्हारी सारी जिंदगी जेल में कटेगी. I will hand you people over to the cops. All your life will be spent in prison.
I will hand you people over to the cops. All your life will be spent in prison.
वही तो मैं जा रहा हूँ. That's where I am going.
That's where I am going.
हाँ तुम्हें जरूर जाना चाहिए. Yes, you must go.
Yes, you must go.
थोड़ा अचार मिल सकता है क्या? Can I get some pickle?
Can I get some pickle?
तुम्हें दिल्ली कैसी लगी? How did you find Delhi?
How did you find Delhi?
आराम से. Take it easy.
Take it easy.
आपके जबरदस्त सपोर्ट के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you so much for your incredible support.
Thank you so much for your incredible support.
मैं अपने कमरे में जा रहा हूँ. I am going into my room.
I am going into my room.
कब तक? Until when?
Until when?
वैसे तुम्हें यहाँ आने में इतना समय क्यों लगा? By the way, what took you so long to get here?
By the way, what took you so long to get here?
वो हमारी लड़की है, हमारी मर्जी के बिना कोई जवाब नहीं देगी. She's our daughter. She wouldn't give any answer without our consent.
She's our daughter. She wouldn't give any answer without our consent.
वो जानता नहीं कि मैं किस तरह का आदमी हूँ. He doesn't know what sort of man I am.
He doesn't know what sort of man I am.
तुमको मुझे बताना चाहिए था. You should have told me.
You should have told me.
क्या रोहन मुझसे कुछ छुपा रहा है? Is Rohan hiding something from me?
Is Rohan hiding something from me?
वो 5 दिन से बीमार है. He has been ill for 5 days.
He has been ill for 5 days.
तुम इतना क्यों सोच रहे हो? Why are you thinking so much?
Why are you thinking so much?
मैं उसे धोखा नहीं दे सकता. I can't cheat her.
I can't cheat her.
कोई फायदा नहीं ऐसे मोबाइल का. There is no use of such a mobile.
There is no use of such a mobile.
क्यों इसमें क्या गलत है? Why? What's wrong with this?
Why? What's wrong with this?
वो लड़की जो मर गई थी, मैंने उसका भूत देखा. The girl that had died. I saw her ghost.
The girl that had died. I saw her ghost.
यह कानून के विरुद्ध है. It's against the law.
It's against the law.
तुम्हें चिंता करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं. You need not worry.
You need not worry.
मैं यही कहना चाहता था. This is what I wanted to say.
This is what I wanted to say.
और चाहिए? Do you want more?
Do you want more?
मैंने तुम्हारे साथ आके बहुत बड़ी गलती की. I committed a blunder when I came with you.
I committed a blunder when I came with you. When I came with you.